Gentlemen, I'm told I should not be too critical of the judiciary, but I would like to say that I will be extremely critical of the judiciary because my expectations of the judiciary are much higher than what they have served in the last few days. So many instances out here. And today, Sandesh Sara brothers' case was closed. They pay 5,000 crores and they get away. And Kuldeep Singh Sengar is connected and he is powerful and he is raped and murdered and convicted. Lalita Kumaramangalam convicted. Yogita Bhayana is with us. She's one of the leading anti-rape activists. She heads the People Against Rape in India, PARI. And she has been crusading on behalf of the victim as well. Major Ashish Chaturvedi of the Samajwadi Party, Susi Ben Shah of the Shiv Sena, and Jayanand Dehadrai, welcome. Yogita, this is appalling. Yogita, can you hear me? I think the victim is with us tonight. Yogita, can you hear me? I can't hear you. I can get your audio. Can you unmute yourself?
I can hear you. The girl is with me. I want her to speak.
Yes, please.
We are going for a protest and we have no other option left. But I want her to speak first because it's... Bolo.
You are going for a protest?
We have no choice.
मेरा सबसे यही कहना है कि आज मैं हाई कोर्ट गई थी। आज रेप के आरोपी विधायक कुलदीप सिंह सेंगर का जजमेंट था, क्योंकि मैं उस जजमेंट को सुनते मुझे अंदर से दुख हुआ कि अपने आप को मैं सुसाइड कर लूं। मैंने इतनी न्याय की लड़ाई लड़ी, इतना मैं लड़ रही हूँ, मेरा परिवार सारा खो गया, मेरा एक्सीडेंट करवा दिया, मेरे परिवार की सुरक्षा हटा दी गई, मेरे चाचा की बेल खारिज हो गई, उसके पैरोकार और सारे जयवंतियों की सुरक्षा हटा दी गई। उसके बाद में जजमेंट करना ही था, तो बहस पूरी होने के बाद 2-1 दिन बाद जजमेंट होता तो सब कोई जानता, लेकिन ये जजमेंट रोक के 3 महीने बाद जजमेंट हुआ है। सारा कुछ ये सत्ता शासन से सेटलमेंट करके तब ये जजमेंट हुआ है। हमें न्याय चाहिए। आप सबसे यही मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरी आवाज आगे तक पहुंचाएं, ताकि हर बहन बेटी को न्याय मिल सके। एक हम ही नहीं, हमारे से बहुत विक्टिम है, बहुत रेप विक्टिम है, जो ऐसे तो रेप के आरोपियों को साहस बढ़ जाएगा कि रेप करो, 5 साल बाद 6 साल बाद बाहर आ जाना है। तो देश की बेटियां सुरक्षित नहीं, असुरक्षित है। इसको देखते हुए, इस जजमेंट को देखते हुए मेरा यही रिक्वेस्ट है, मेरी खबर आगे पहुंचाई जाए।
I know we really want, there is no other option left. We want people to support, come on streets.
Where are you protesting?
Because this is,
Where is
we are heading towards central Delhi. We don't know. We were discussing. She wants to sit outside, PM's office house. She says, "Meri to Prime Minister se guhar hai." We don't know where to go. Whom to blame? First of all, I mean, let me be very honest. Courts जिम्मेदार हैं या नेता जिम्मेदार हैं? मुझे तो लगता है everybody hands in gloves. तो कहाँ जाएं? किसके आगे धरना दें? Nobody listens to us in जंतर मंतर. कहाँ जाएंगे? हमें खुद ही नहीं पता अभी कहाँ बैठेंगे. But we really want people to support us. We will let you know where we are going to sit. We don't know. She has not eaten anything. She's been out. She's been crying. I've been with her. This is crazy. I mean, where do we seek justice in this country? What is the message going to other victims? Where do we reassure them that we will get you justice? Everybody seems to be in connivance. Judiciary, I mean, the administration, the powerful people, elections are down the corner. अभी हम वकील से मिलके आ रहे हैं, वो बोल रहे हैं भाई इलेक्शन आ रहे हैं तो उसको बाहर निकालना ही था. You should have been prepared for it. मतलब what the hell is it going on in this country? हम बाहर की एप्स्टाइन फाइल्स की बात करें, हमारी जो खुद की एप्स्टाइन फाइल्स है पहले वो तो खोल लीजिए. हम तो यहाँ पीडोफाइल्स के बीच में जी रहे हैं. Where are we living? This is not the place we should have.
थोड़ा योगिता, I want to give a context to the viewers. पहले तो मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि बहुत हिम्मत है इनकी. मैं उनको भी कहना चाहूँगा बहुत दात है, बहुत हिम्मत है इनकी. एंड मैं थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड देना चाहूँगा because the case is of 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, at that point of time, the victim, I'm obviously not referring to her by name, was only 17 years old. Am I right, Yogita? She was only 17 years old.
Yes, she was 16 and a half.
16 और 17 साल की थी. उस समय कुलदीप सिंह सेंगर ने इनको किडनैप किया and raped her.
Gang raped also.
And then she was gang raped. She was then sold for 60,000 rupees. She was threatened against speaking out. And she has lost so much in this period. Ladies and gentlemen, she tried to commit suicide in April 2018. And then her father was beaten up and he died in judicial custody. She lost her father. One day when she was going in her car, a truck comes and hits her car 11 times. Lalita Kumaramangalam, I have not heard a bigger horror story than this. 11 times her car was hit. 2 of her aunts died, she survived.